In ancient times, elephants didn't have long tusks. Their extra holes helped them breathe, especially when their trunks were blocked. Animals hurried to find shelter from the rain. The elephant, being too slow, couldn't find a spot. Even his best friend, the pheasant, left him. After the rain, the elephant sneezed loudly. The sneeze startled the sleeping ostrich, who crashed into a tree. Zebras were confused by the chaos. Giraffes lost their spots from the sneeze's force. Terrified, they ran away. The elephant sneezed nearly flat in the area. Animals realized they had to apologize. But the elephant's sneezes continued. His trunk inflated like a balloon, amusing to watching animals. The ostrich stayed to watch, and was launched onto a tree by the sneeze. Along with him flew two tusks. Animals stared in disbelief at the elephant.